Hello everyone, this is Kirti from Product Team and I'm glad to give you a brief demo on Performance Management System. Skills to Talent is world's first PMS and CFR combined and only scalable service including OKR products from the same company. Thus, convenience of getting full implementation service and software as a service as one-stop solution. Our service include employee performance management, objective and key result, timesheet management, project resource management, employee pulse survey, competency management, learning and development, cover end-to-end onboarding to offboarding employee lifecycle. All these details you can find out on our website skillstotalent.com. Our software integrated with popular business application, remote team collaboration tools, authentication provides and lead HRIS such as Create HR, payroll software, etc. I'm going to cover the key features of performance management system which can solve your talent management problems. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the integration between Grade HR and Skills to Talent system. For the integration, we take the basic employee details from the Grade HR which are required for the performance management system, such as employee name, employee ID, manager details, department designation, the basic details which are required for performance appraisal. Plus, both the system are connected using the technology called REST API. The onboarding, the exit management process happens from Skills to Talent, and the details go from Skills to Talent to the Great HR once the employee has submitted the resignation details. There is also a SAML integration between Great HR and Skills to Talent. The quick links will be available in Great HR system, where they can see the name of Skills to Talent. As soon as they click on that link, it will navigate them to the home page of Skills to Talent, where they'll find the PMS module. Also, the URL, login ID and password of the Great HR will remain same. They don't need to use another URL, login ID and password. They can just come to the home page of Great HR software. From there, they can easily navigate to PMS system of Skills to Talent. Okay, the employee, admin, manager, self-service are parallelly interconnected based upon their individual login from Great HR to Skills to Talent system. So this is how in this next slide you can see how the Great HR and Skills to Talent system are integrated with each other. So this is the Great HR login page where they will enter their username and password. After entering them, they can come to the home page of Great HR system. There, the quick link of Skills to Talent is available. As soon as they click on this quick link, it navigates them to the home page of Performance Management System. Similarly, there is a second way of interconnection where the Skills to Talent system is available. They are logging in, entering the login ID and password. As soon as they log in, they are able to see the Great HR payroll integration button at the bottom of their screen. Once they click on this, it navigated them to the home page of Great HR. Okay, so these are the two ways how the system of Skills to Talent and Great HR can be integrated with each other. So now I'm going to show you how from the Great HR system we come to Skills to Talent software. So I have entered a URL for a Great HR software. I clicked on the enter button. As soon as I click on the enter button, I came onto the login page where I'm entering the employee ID. I will enter the password. After entering the login ID and password, I will land into the home page of Great HR system. So you can see, I can see the quick link name as Skills to Talent system here. Once I click on this, it will navigate me to the home page of Skills to Talent PMS. Along with this, the master employee database of Great HR and Skills to Talent will be automatically synchronized with each other using the REST API technology. I can use this via URL, login ID, and password, one unified application If the client tried adding employee in Great HR application, then the employee details will automatically flow in PMS. Any department designation and reporting manager details are change of an employee in Great HR that will automatically be updated in Skills to Talent PMS. So this is how the synchronization work. You can see various basic Skills to Talent and PMS is fetching from Great HR software from each employee. These details are mandatory for Skills to Talent PMS. We do not pull any detail related to leave, attendance, and payroll compensation, which is out of scope of Skills to Talent PMS. This RESTful API SSO will happen with the mutual understanding of Great HR and Skills to Talent team. The Great HR team provides the REST API details and Skills to Talent team provides the SAML SSO URL. For this implementation team of Great HR, Skills to Talent needs to coordinate with each other. After integration of both system of PMS implementation process will be initiated further between Great HR and Skills to Talent such as goal setting, appraisal initiation, customer training, etc. We are using world most top technology for the infrastructure and support services. We are using these many web application for our development. We are using development services for cloud storage. We are using these onboarding and support training, Whatfix, Skype, Google Hangouts, Cisco, WebEx, GoToMeeting, Zoom, Freshdesk. Data for the data security and integration, we are certified and verified by these many services. We provide our support using these application. We provide it doing via Skype. We also take the request on our direct support email ID. We also collect the tickets based upon level 1, 2, or 3 using the Freshdesk application. We also provide the telephonic support for the sales, support, demo, anything. The Whatfix inbuilt interaction where they can take you to the live flows once the system goes on. Help and tutorial text and videos based sources we also provide. We also provide the user manual for the better understanding of the particular client. We hope that this particular session helps you understand the recipe integration between Great HR and Skills to Talent. Thank you for your time.